Namaste, good morning. Good morning, Nainka. Good morning, Vatsala. Wish you
Good
very,
morning.
wish you very happy International Yoga Day.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, as today it's the Yoga Day, I first appreciate you that you are here on the Sunday morning. Instead of lying down on your bed, you just chose to do yoga. That is first a big win in itself. So, let's sit together, close your eyes. Take the deep inhale and exhale.
Justine, just one thing. I have a little bit of a knee pain, so anything straighten, you can have some other sort of movement for me.
Can you please repeat? I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
I'm saying that I have a little bit of a knee pain, so anything on the knee I won't be able to do.
Yes, yes, no worries. I will be taking care of that. No worries. Okay, once again, namaste. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. So, sit in any comfortable posture you want. Close your eyes. Please mute yourself. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Hands in chin mudra, index finger touching the thumb. So, on this beautiful occasion of Yoga Day, we will be focusing on our mind, on our body. So, yoga is not something that we do externally only, but it is more of the inside job. So, today we will be focusing on our thoughts, and by the end of the class, we will take the pledge that no matter what, we will always try to stay in the present and always be happy and healthy and be gratitude for all the little things in our life. This is what yoga teaches, and we will follow the principles of the teachings of the yoga. So join your hands together in front of the chest. Just think about any four people in your life that you are grateful for. वो चार लोग जिनके लिए आप अपने मन में शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं. Just think about them and repeat in your mind, I am happy and healthy. I am happy and healthy. Just think about the beautiful moments which in your day to day life give you happiness. Such small moments like a child playing in front of you with a beautiful smile. Just imagine it and have a beautiful smile on your face in this session. Count your blessings. And now let's start the session by chanting three Oms followed by three Shantis. Deep inhale. Om. 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 Shanti. 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 Rub your palms. Generate the heat. Place them onto your closed eyes. And whenever you feel ready, by looking at the lines of your palms, you can open your eyes with a smile. Namaste everyone. Welcome to Get a Grip and wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. So Yoga Day is not only for one day, but it is whole year around when you are just moving for minimum of 15 to 20 minutes with your body. Right? And now try to sit in this asana, which is thunderbolt pose in English and vajrasana in Sanskrit. And with Vatsala, you please don't try to sit in this asana. You be in sukhasana because you have knee pain, right? Or you can even sit with the support and simply do the warm up. For others, just sit in thunderbolt pose. So I hope you all are fit and fine. Nobody is having the knee pain. Okay, chalo. Let's start. Are we all ready to start? Great. Chalo. Let's start with the warm up. Deep inhale. Look all the way up. Feel the stretch at the front part of your neck. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale 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 down. Inhale up. And look all the way up. Stay here. Focus on your breath for a few deep breaths. Feel all the calmness coming into your body, into your mind. And exhale all the way down. Few deep breaths here. Now come back to the center. Inhale, look to the right side. Exhale to the left side. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. And exhale left. Come back to the center. Very good. Now neck rotations. Very slow, gentle rotations. One, and I'm just counting as a timer. Okay, you go at your own pace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Opposite side. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back in the center. So in today's class, so basically there are 8 niyams of yoga. So the very foremost niyam is discipline, which is Artha Yoga Anushasana. And you all showed discipline on Sunday morning. So you have done that first thing. So very good. And second thing is staying in the present moment. So while doing asanas or meditation or pranayam, if you feel, which is very natural, that your mind is wandering here and there, you will not think anything. Just simply be in the present moment. Just try to listen to the voices outside you, like chirping of birds, any voice of the traffic around you, but do not focus on the voice inside if it is disturbing you. Okay? So today we will focus on staying in the present moment. All right? Chalo. So others, we keep on sitting in Vajrasana if you are feeling comfortable, and the ones who are not feeling comfortable, they can sit in Sukhasana or they can change their position. So this is Sukhasana. If you are not comfortable in the Vajrasana, you can sit in Sukhasana. Okay. So now left hand on the left side, right hand up by staying in the present moment. Look all the way up. Exhale. Other side. Inhale right. exhale left, inhale right, exhale left, keep your arms straight, inhale right, exhale left, 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 inhale right, and stay here. Very good. Open up your chest, look all the way up, staying all the way in the present moment. Feel the stretch in your arms, in your sides, in your legs. Stay here for a few deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now change other side. 5 deep breaths here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now interlace your hands, your fingers all the way up. Sitting Tadasana. Bend to the right side and to the left side. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Come back to the center and all the way down. Very good. Now we will be opening our legs in front of us and we will be performing Paschimottangasana, which is forward bending. Very good for your core muscles, very good for digestion, and very good to improve the metabolism. Deep inhale all the way up and exhale all the way down wherever you can reach. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, and now exhale to the right side. Try to touch your forehead onto the mat. Inhale up, exhale to the left side. Inhale up, exhale forward. Very good. Forward, Shreya. Very good. Forward, forward. Inhale up, exhale right. Inhale up, exhale left. Inhale up, exhale forward. Forward, yes, everyone. Stay here. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8. Very good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now all the way up. Very good. And now to the right side. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now both the arms up. Very good. And now to the other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Both the arms up and down. Now hands at the back. Bend your legs. Place them onto the right side and to the left side. Right, left. Very good. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and stay here. Look towards the left side. Neutralize your spine. Stay here. Very good. Good going, everyone. Yes, Vatsala, look to the other side. Very good. Well done, everyone. And now change. Legs to the other side. Stay here. Very good. Come all the way in the center. And now open up your legs in front of you, the maximum that you can. And let's do Chakki Chalanasana, mill churning pose, having numerous benefits for your stomach, for your inner thighs, and for your overall functioning of the body. So try to touch the toes and then try to go all the way back. Forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Continue 10 times. So it's my counter. Do not go fast or slow. Go at your own pace. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ninka, try to go all the way back also. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite side, reverse the direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now touch your toes, grab your toes if your hands are reaching, otherwise still here also, it's fine. And try to stay here. Feel the stretch at the inner part of your thighs. Your legs will thank you later. Can you feel the stretch? Great. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now come all the way up. Join the soles of your feet together. Yes. And now we will all become butterflies and we will all smile like the beautiful free butterflies flying all the way up in the sky. So flap the butterfly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now one more time with some another thing. We will be closing our eyes and this time 20 counts and feel that you are actually a butterfly flying high in the sky. Just flap your wings up and down. Imagine the beautiful trees, the beautiful houses all around you, and you are flying from one place to another, watching all the beautiful seas, lakes, deserts, and whatever you like. The lush green grasses around you. You are simply observing everything while flying. Keep your eyes closed and imagine all the beautiful things that you are visualizing while flying as a butterfly. Keep on visualizing, keep on flying. Few more deep breaths here. Yes, now we are all the butterflies. We are going to have one race. Let's see who will go fast. So flap it faster. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now try to bend forward all the way down wherever you can reach. 5, 4, 3, two, and one. Very good. Now all the beautiful butterflies, they will come all the way up. Yes, straighten your one leg. Keep your other leg bent in Janu Shirsasana. All the way up. Exhale. Come all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Stay here. Don't forget to stay in the present moment. Simply stay here. Feel all the muscles of your leg, the hamstrings, the calf muscles, quadriceps. 5 deep breaths here. Five, four, three, two, and now all the way up and hands down. Very good. Change the side. Other leg, Janu Shirsasana. Deep inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Stay here. Very good. Vasala, place your hands wherever they are reaching, even if they are till knees, no worries. Yes, very good. Very good, Shreya. Very good, Shruti. Very good, Arpita, Anjali, Nainaka. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Both the arms up and down. Yes. Now hands at the back. One more time. Relax yourself. Place your legs on the right and to the left side. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And now we will all try to come in Mallasana garland pose. Stay here. Yes. So if you want, you can place your hands on the mat for the support. So the ideal alignment is place your elbows inside, not like this, inside, if you can. Yes. So this year the theme of Yoga Day is yoga for natural aging, right? So we all know with the proper yoga and also with any form of exercise, it also impacts our aging, it reduces our aging, right? So again, I'm going to remind you that at least for 15 to 20 minutes, just try to do yoga, whether it's pranayam, meditation. So just try to control your breath every single day. Okay? So let's start with the Mallasana. Try to lift your heels up and down. Very good for managing the hormones. Up and down, 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 up and stay here. Very good. And the ones who are comfortable here, they can place their left leg on the left side, bend towards the right, and other side, right, left, right. If you want to take the support, yes. Anjani, you can take the support. Yes. Right, left, very good. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and come back to the center. And now from here we will be standing onto our mat and prepare ourselves for Surya Namaskars. One hand on your chest, one on your belly. Neutralize your breath. And the ones who are having the knee pain, Vatsala, you will be going as much as you can. Others, we will try to do our best. So one hand on your chest, one onto your belly. And prepare yourself for Surya Namaskar. So let's do it together. So basically there are three Surya Namaskars in this world. One is Ashtanga Yoga A Surya Namaskar, other is Ashtanga Yoga B, third is Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. So we are going to practice the Ashtanga Yoga A Surya Namaskar. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? Shall we start? Great. Yes, hands in Samastuti. Samastuti means shoulders in one straight line, look all the way straight. So come in the front of the mat, front edge of the mat. Lift both your arms up. Ekam inhale, both the arms up. Do exhale, both the arms down, wherever they are reaching, if on the mat or not. Vatsala, you will not try to overstretch yourself, just do till the point you can reach. Trini, inhale, look all the way up, hands down but look up. Now Chatwari, please observe, fourth round is go back, all the way back in Chaturanga, plank position. Punch, inhale, all the way up in Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Shoulders down, elbows naturally bent. Shat, exhale, come to Adho Mukha, mountain pose. Sapta, inhale, both the legs forward, look all the way up. Ashto, exhale, all the way down. Nava, inhale, both the arms up. And Samastuti. Let's do it again together. Ekam, inhale, both the arms up. Ekam, doye, treni, this is Sanskrit counting. Doye, two, inhale, both the arms down. Treni, inhale, look all the way up. Chatwari, exhale, go back to Chaturanga, plank position. Very good. Punch, inhale, come to Urdhva Mukha, Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Shat, exhale, come to Adho Mukha. Sapta, inhale, both the legs forward, look all the way straight. Ashto, exhale, all the way down. Nava, inhale, both the arms up. And Samastuti. Ekam, inhale, both the arms up. This time we will be staying in each posture. And focus on your breath. Stay in the present moment. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Stay here. If anyone is having the back issue, you can place your hands next to your back. Otherwise, both the arms up. 10 deep breaths here. 10, 9, 8. Very good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And now do exhale. Both the arms down. Look all the way down. Very good. Yes, you will feel a stretch at the back part of your legs, which is completely normal. Uttanasana. Stay here. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Anjali, try to look more down. 4, 3, 2. And now Ardha Uttanasana. Look all the way straight. Very, very good. Look forward. Hands in the same position. Look forward, Arpita. Yes, very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And now come back to Chaturanga, plank position. Very good. Stay here, and if possible, try to bend to the left side and to the right side. left, right, left, right. Otherwise, you can simply stay here. No worries, wherever you are comfortable. Shreya, you stay in the center. 10, 9. Shreya, little bit glutes down, hips down. Very good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, everyone. Now, come to Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Shoulders down, elbows naturally bend. Very good. Look to the right side and to the left side. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and come back to the center. And the ones who are comfortable here, just try to grab your ankles and try to lift yourself up in Dhanurasana. Go pose if you can. Very good. Just try. Very good, Vatsala. Very good, Anjani. Very good, Shreya. Very good, Shruti. Very good, Arpita. Nanika, I can't see you, but I feel you are also doing very good. Well done. So, this is an intermediate posture, but you all did it. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Stay here. 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2. And now, once again, come back in Bhujangasana. Very good. And now coming mountain pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Very good. Now from here, lift your heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up, and stay here. 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now if your knees are okay, just try to jump forward and come in Ardha Uttanasana. Very good. Well done, everyone. You all did great. And now look all the way down. Hug your knees. Hug yourself. Stay here. Don't forget to stay in the present moment, the theme of our class. Now come all the way up and Samasthiti. Very good. You all did great. We will all clap for ourselves. We will all applaud ourselves. Very good. It was not easy, but you all did it great. Very good. I'm so proud of you. And I can see many new faces which joined for the first time today, the live class, but you all are doing really good. Very good. Okay, shall we move to the next posture? Yes? Okay. So now, first just take the wall support, everyone, because we don't want to have any injury or fall down. And now, after taking the wall support, what you all will be doing is, we will be doing tree pose, which is Vrikshasana. So, if you are doing it for the first time, so place your feet down. So this is my knee, down the knee. Place your feet down and stay here. And if you feel that you are comfortable here, then you can place your feet next to your inner part of the thigh and stay. And focus. Very good. 10, 9. Well done, everyone. 8, 7. Very good. Keep trying. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. You all did great. Very good. And now if you felt that you were comfortable there, and then now you can step 2 feet, and then without the wall support, just try to do the Vrikshasana, which is tree pose. And stay here. Very good. Only if you are comfortable, otherwise it's completely normal to take the wall support. Stay here. Very good. 10, 9, 8. Great going. Shreya, little bit leg up or down. Do not keep your leg on the joint. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come all the way down. Very good. So you all did really great. And the best part is I can see most of you smiling while doing it. Shall we try for one more time? Can I try? Great. This time for 15 counts. Let's try together with or without the sport, doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is your mind and your ability to keep on trying. Chalo. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gentle smile, everyone. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good. We will all clap for ourselves. It was not easy, but we all did it. Very good. Very good, everyone. One more time, let's do. I can see that we all are so excited and enthusiastic. Now with the other leg. First try to be with the support with the other leg and try to stay. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Again, we will all clap for ourselves. We should never miss a chance to appreciate ourselves. Very good. You all did really well. I'm so proud of you. Okay. So now, as we are left with the less time, so let's do some back movements followed by pranayam. Or first do pranayam and then we can do the back movements. And instead of doing the boring thing, we will be doing the standing Kapalabhati, in which we will be opening our legs hip width apart or little bit more than that. Hands next to our thighs. Try to bend forward. Place your one hand onto your stomach. And please do take care, if you have high blood pressure or you are in your periods, you will be going slow. Otherwise, you will be going very fast. So this is breath work, which is known as pranayam or forceful exhalation. Let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come all the way up. If anyone has any doubt in Kapalabhati, you can ask. Are we all clear with forceful exhalation? Okay. So it is best to do in the morning or after having the gap of 2.5 hours after having our meal. So it is known as Kapalabhati in Sanskrit and forceful exhalation in English. And according to Ayurveda, it is very good warm up because it increases the heat in our body. And it works really well on our stomach, on our core muscles. Alright, chalo. Let's do one more time. 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Come all the way up. Hands at your back. Stretch your back. Very good. You can go up to 100 counts, but not on the day one. After 1 month or so, you can go up to 100 counts. But again, just try to avoid it if you are having high blood pressure or you are in your periods. Very good. Come all the way up and come in the center. Now we are going to do pranayam, second part, which is Bhastrika. So hands at your side, having same benefits as Kapalabhati. Now lift your arms up and forcefully exhale. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Very good. So avoid this pranayam if you have a lot of neck pain or anyone is having neck injury. But yes, you can do up to 10 to 20 counts in that case also. But avoid doing it for more than that, like up to 100 counts. Okay, now some shoulder rolls, front and back, few times, forward, and few times other side. Very good. Yes. Some stretches. Yes, like this. One hand on your shoulder, one at your back, and stretch. Look on the way back. And now change other side. Stay here. And come back in the center. Very good. Now we will all sit on the mat. You can take pillow if you want and you can sit on that. Whatever is comfortable to you, you can take the wall support. Anything will work. And today we will be focusing on our breathing and followed by Chandrabhedan pranayam for increasing the calmness in our body. Okay, so I hope we all are comfortable. Shall we start? Great. Okay, so first place one hand on your stomach, one on your chest. Close your eyes. Observe your breathing pattern. So it is known as yogic breathing. You can keep on closing your eyes and simply listen. So in nowadays life, we are having a lot of health issues, and according to the research of Harvard University, the main health issues they are because of the long wrong pattern of breathing. हम सांस ही गलत ले रहे हैं. So what is the correct pattern of breathing is whenever we are inhaling, our stomach it should come out like a balloon and it should be deep inhalation. लंबी गहरी सांस लेंगे and on exhale take all the air out through the nose and the stomach it will go inside. Deep inhale from the nose, stomach out, exhale again from the nose and stomach in. Deep inhale, stomach out, deep breaths, no shallow breaths. Exhale all the way out. Inhale, stomach out. Exhale, stomach in. 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 Keep on breathing at your own pace for next 10 seconds. Stay in the present moment. Thoughts will come and go, but we will not entertain them. Few more deep breaths. Relax your toes. Feel all the calmness in your body, in your mind. And now we can come all the way back. Now we will be focusing on the Chandrabhedan Pranayam, which is known as moon breathing. Very good to increase the calmness in our body. So place your thumb on your right nostril, your ring finger or middle finger onto your left nostril. Take the deep inhale from the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. Inhale from the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. Inhale from the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. So we will be inhaling from the left and exhale from the right. Keep on doing at your own pace for next few rounds. Now we can come all the way back and lie down on our mat in Shavasana. Shavasana for 2 minutes, and it will be guided Shavasana. So please listen to the instructions and relax your body accordingly. Lie down on the mat, legs apart, hands apart. If you want to use pillow under your neck, under your head, you can. You can remove any tight bands or specs. Remove any tight bands or specs. Relax yourself. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the positivity around you and feel all the calmness, all the happiness from the Mother Earth coming all the way up to your feet, relaxing your left foot, your right foot, relaxing the soles of your feet, the upper part of your feet, relaxing your ankles. Now stretch your feet once to the out, once to the in. One more time, relax your feet once to the outside and once to the inside. Now this relaxing energy, it is going all the way up, relaxing your calf muscles, your shin bone, your knees, thighs, and hamstrings. Now relaxing your glutes and your genitals. Now your entire lower body, it is completely relaxed. Now interlace your hands, your fingers, and take a deep stretch like you wake up in the morning. Stretch, 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 and relax. Now relax your stomach, your lower back, mid back, upper back, relaxing your chest, your shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. Now your entire upper body and lower body, it is completely relaxed. One more time, take a deep stretch like you wake up in the morning. Stretch, 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 and relax. One last time, interlace your fingers, your hands. Anjani, interlace your fingers, your hands, and take a deep stretch. Stretch, stretch, and relax. Now your entire body, it is completely relaxed. Now relax your facial muscles, your eyes, nose, lips, cheeks, chin, forehead, back of the head where it is touching the mat. Move your head once to the left and once to the right. And now, whenever you feel comfortable, just turn to the right side and sit in Sukhasana with your eyes closed, hands in front of the chest, with a gentle smile on your face. You can take your time, we are not in any hurry. Yes. Say thanks to yourself, to your body, to your mind for practicing the yogasanas, pranayam, and meditation from past 1 hour and giving your best. Say thanks to your hands, your mind for letting you, for supporting you in this practice. As there are many people in this world who are unable to do the things physically as well as mentally because of the restrictions. But we are grateful and blessed that we are fit and fine. Say thanks to your hands, to your feet, to your fingers, to your body, to your mind. Say thanks to this entire universe, your friends, your family, for helping you, for supporting you. Now, by paying the gratitude and by counting our blessings, we will end the session and we will be chanting peace, which is Shanti, 3 times. Deep inhale, Shanti, 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 and pray for the wellness of all the beings in this society and recite Loka Samasta Sukhina Bhavantu. It means all the beings they should be happy and healthy. And now you can rub your palms together, generate the heat, place them onto your closed eyes. And whenever you feel ready, by looking at the lines of your palms, you can open your eyes with a smile. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Have a good Sunday ahead. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Shruti. Take care.
It was at the end. I don't know why I became emotional after getting up, and I have absolutely no reason for it. So yeah, it was really very different, and I still don't know why this is happening. It's
Actually,
never happened. So
yeah,
yes,
because in our day
so
to day life, sometimes we don't acknowledge what we have, right? The small things like the ability to move,
mm,
the ability to move our hands, our fingers. So, these things, whenever we feel our blessings, whenever we feel that we have the things which rest of the world maybe doesn't have, so at that time it's completely normal to
mm,
feel the gratitude, to feel emotional. It's a good sign.
yes. Thank you for this session
You're
today.
welcome. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.